It's All You Can Vegas. Hey everybody, it's Derek and I'm here at Gordon Ramsay Pub at Caesar's Palace in Las Vegas.
Lobster roll, personal favorite.
Oh, okay.
Now with lobster knuckle, garlic aioli with lemon juice.
Great, thank you.
Oh, welcome, Sir Derek.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure, Mom Catherine.
All right, we got our drinks now, we got our water, and this is the signal that you can take off your mask. Here at Gordon Ramsay Pub, for lunch, you can actually get beef Wellington. It's the lunch special. You can get, it's a 3-course lunch special. You get super salad, the beef Wellington, and sticky toffee pudding. $58.99. But they have other stuff here too. They got fish and chips, grilled cheese, fried chicken. I think I'm gonna have to get the fried chicken sandwich. I love fried chicken. And now this is spicy. It's a hot chicken sandwich. It's got hot chicken, lime, cilantro, slaw. And I think you were thinking to get the short rib grilled cheese.
Like short rib grilled cheese sounds great.
It's like grilled cheese with short rib beef in it.
Sir Derek, would you like anything to drink?
Just water will be fine for me.
Sir.
Yes, thank you. Okay.
What would you like to start? Great nachos here, I said the lobster roll. Oh,
I know, there's so much to choose from.
I know, Sir Derek, but the beef Wellington here, I told them when you eat that, you've got the filet mignon, the bruschetta, Bruxelles mushroom, and swipe it in the red wine demi. Let it slide, one temperature only, medium rare. And on the sticky toffee, one of a kind.
So the beef Wellington, one temperature only, right?
Yes,
medium rare.
Yes, Sir Derek.
Yeah, that sounds good. But I think for lunch I'm going to get not the beef Wellington. I think I'm going to get.
We got a lot of good dishes there.
Yes.
Very English, the fish and chips. With mushrooms. Go ahead, my Mom Catherine, Sir Derek.
Okay.
Yes, you know what you want?
My lady first.
I'll have the short rib grilled cheese, please.
Phenomenal. That one with sourdough bread,
Perfect.
abarti, with HP sauce from London inside, and the pickled onions.
That sounds great.
And Sir Derek?
Great.
What would my Sir Derek like?
The fried chicken sandwich.
Wow, one of my newest sandwiches we add on the menu, Sir Derek.
Great.
Crispy, buttermilk around it.
Oh, yeah.
It's with lime cilantro sauce, slow. You'll love it.
That
It
sounds
blends so well.
perfect.
A little bit spicy, but not too heavy.
All right.
Would you like a side order of anything? Regular fries or truffle fries with a homemade ketchup?
Maybe, can I start with the tomato soup?
I love that. Creamy,
Yeah, that
designed for
sounds so
vegetarian,
good.
but buttery, cheesy.
Awesome.
And you get the bread on the side, Sir Derek, that you can dunk on your
Perfect.
tomato soup.
Awesome.
sounds great.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Sir Derek. I'll bring you an extra spoon just in case Miss Catherine is sharing.
Oh, yes,
right?
please. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. On the back of the menu, or if you use the QR code over here, you can get the menu for yourself and look it over. But here on this paper menu, which you can also request, there are craft cocktails, gin and tonics, draft beer, and wine.
Just put the mask on for the moment, Mom Catherine. Sir Derek, I'm sorry.
Yes, thank you.
Just have to put the mask,
Oh, the
mask
ma-
will arrive, yes.
I have to do what?
Put the mask on for the meantime until the food arrives.
Oh.
That's a new protocol for us now, Sir Derek.
So even with a drink.
Even though we have waters?
Yeah, well, it's a sip and dip for the moment, That's what my boss said. They just sip and just put it back. But when the food arrives, then we can remove our
Oh,
okay.
okay.
Okay, so the signal isn't the
It's not
isn't the water anymore.
Yes.
Okay.
It's the food now.
It's the
Okay.
food now. All right.
Okay.
Great.
Thank you.
All right, so it's back on with the masks. Even though we have our drinks, now it's you wait till you get your food. So most of the meal here, I guess she said between sips. I don't know if that's also between bites of food, but basically, you're gonna have to do the whole meal with your mask on. Safety first.
Oh, great.
thank
Thank
you.
you.
Now the masks come off.
Oh, thank you.
Cheers. Enjoy, my Sir Derek.
Thank you very much. So this is Gordon Ramsay's tomato soup, roasted tomato soup with sunflower pesto and garlic bread. Oh, that does have a roasted flavor and very tomatoey, very creamy. It's actually quite light. And then the garlic bread with cheese for dipping. Oh, that's good. It's like very buttery and cheesy. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
What's most interesting about this garlic bread is this sunflower pesto. I don't know how you make pesto out of sunflowers, but I like it. That's good cheese.
It's a very hot plate, okay? So
Okay.
be careful.
Ooh,
Chicken producer.
Oh, thank you.
Very well.
thank you very much.
Cheers.
Thank
Mixing.
you.
Crispy. And if you need any other sauce, let me know.
Okay,
Will do.
thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is the fried chicken sandwich. Hot chicken with lime, cilantro, slaw, and looks like some pickles on the side. And this is the short rib grilled cheese. That is some good looking short rib meat. And we have a side of cheddar mashed potatoes. And looks like some mustard and some more pickles. I am so happy right now. I have a fried chicken sandwich from Gordon Ramsay Pub here in Las Vegas, right in front of me. And a short rib grilled cheese sandwich with cheddar mashed potatoes. All right, let's cut the sandwich in half and look at the cross section of the Gordon Ramsay spicy chicken sandwich. They gave me this knife just for that very purpose. Look at this. This is a fluffy bun. And this is the slaw. And as you can see, this chicken looks pretty juicy. Let's see how it tastes. It's not even that spicy, but it is very juicy and very crunchy. And I'm not big on spice, so I was prepared for something to be really shaking my body. But this is really not spicy at all. So if you don't like spicy, but you want a spicy chicken sandwich, this is the one for you. Yeah, it's British food. Now I've got to try the short rib grilled cheese. Oh, this is quite heavy. This is just half of it, and this part it's heavier than the chicken sandwich. That's a lot of meat in there. Okay, let's try this. Oh boy, that is good. That is succulent beef, really juicy and full of flavor. Got a saltiness from this cheese, and look at this. Wow. Wow, now this is a sandwich. That's good. There's like there's onions, like stewed onions or something in there. Pickled, I don't know what that is. It's maybe like almost tastes like a French onion soup type onion. Whoa, this is good. I hate to say it. This is better than the chicken sandwich. It's true. But you know, short rib beef and Gordon Ramsay, British food. This is where it's at, right here. Now, what about the mashed potatoes? We have also, very British let's just try a big spoon of mashed potatoes. Looks hot. Oh yeah, this is the way to go. That's creamy, cheesy, perfect. Yeah, oh, and then there's even, there's mustard and pickles too. I could put that on this sandwich. Doesn't really need it. Maybe I need to put these on my chicken sandwich. Yeah, that's good, right?
Oh my god, it's so good.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna add some. I'm gonna doctor up this chicken sandwich. I'm gonna put the pickles that came with the sandwich. I'm gonna put these just straight on here, like all of them. Really kick up that flavor. There we go. Now we're talking. That is chicken, fried chicken and pickles sandwich.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, that almost tastes like Chick-fil-A now. That's good. I love Chick-fil-A. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit of this mustard, which you don't really need on this short rib, although it might be amazing on there too, but I'm gonna see how it tastes on this fried chicken sandwich. Doctor it up even more. And now it's too mustardy.
Now it's too mustardy?
I put too much mustard on. Mustard's for your sandwich, not mine. Look at that little baked cheese on top of these mashed potatoes. Get up some more short rib. They also have desserts here at Gordon Ramsay Pub. Of course, the sticky toffee pudding, for which Gordon Ramsay is famous, and a chocolate brownie. Gordon Ramsay Pub at Caesars Palace, Las Vegas. It's British food, and British food is some of the most renowned food in the world for being bland. But that's not the case here at Gordon Ramsay Pub, because this food has flavor. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about Gordon Ramsay Pub at Caesars Palace. And be sure to subscribe for more, because there's always more to eat when it's all you can Vegas.